These are the Popco silicone gloves, and they measure 13.7 inches in length. And they're perfect for the oven, as well as the grill and the stovetop too. These gloves are perfect because they have silicone and nice grips, as well as they're machine washable too. This will keep your wrist and hands protected up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Another nice feature are that these oven mitts are waterproof too. So that means you can gently put your crabs or lobster in the water without worrying about the hot boiling water splashing your wrists. These oven mitts are also quilted cotton lined. So it protects your hands from the heat, as well as it has these loops so you can hang it up on an S-hook or a nail too. The chicken's ready, and these oven mitts are perfect. Perfect to grab the hot baking sheet without burning my hands. And they're so flexible too. These are in red, but they have other colors to choose from as well. I was sent this from Popco to evaluate and for me to give my opinion, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.